Yung derivative niyan.
So hi guys! Welcome to our vlog! Nandito po tayo ngayon sa EGP. Si Dave di sumasayaw!
Yung derivative niyan. dy sub 2.
Roxanne. Shimmy, 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 oh shimmy. Ayan. Matawag mo kong biguan. Uwi na kayo. Uwi na kayo.
Uy, makapunta yung marshmallow.
Sana all may mani.
Sana may mani. Mr. Namara. Mr. Namara. Wala pa kami, hindi pa namin kumpleto yung plates namin. So, smile.
I'm currently taking up Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering at National University and I'm now on my second year.
Hindi lang basta-basta sunod.
Okay, so the eggs have already been fertilized by means of intracytoplasmic spermatogen, and now the embryos will be inserted.
Wow.
Right. It's slowing it down at precisely.
Nakalimutan ko may quiz ngayon, so nararating ako.
Overcome weaknesses. Essence sets are knowledge and developing threads that were.
So, ginagawa ko ngayon ng problem set ko sa engineering economy. And, yun. It's 37. Sabog na ako. Aftermath. Antok na ako. I'm done. Sana pumasa na. Pa ako tapos. Ay, katatapos ko sa quiz ko ng hydrology. Ngayon, tapos magre-review naman na ako sa engineering data analysis. Kasi last quiz na namin tomorrow. So, yun. So, review tayo. Walang pahinga-pahinga.
Yung na-mention ko is
Actually, pwede nyo na akong unahin mag-solve. Pwede nyo na rin ituloy hanggang sa step number 8.
this exam. Bye, baby. Joke lang. Hindi pa tayo sure.
Na to is para mag-request po kami ng certain details and pieces of information.
Hi! Oh my God!
Bye.
Hi guys, sorry. Let me hear.
First day.
9:50. 95.5 yata. 99.5. Kompleto na talaga yung counter ha?
Lagyan ko na bawat ano.
Kasi yung isang kulera na nandito sa baba, yung mga tayo.
Ba't yung naisip mong lagyan?
Next is the how they were crushed. So as you can see, there are a lot of color green,